17-inch swing, 43-inch center distance. You have a Fanuc control, 21 IT. You can see here that the machine has manual pulse hand wheels that are can either be used or not. A Lore's tool post, 8-inch Pratt Bernard 3-jaw chuck. You have this skid here that shows it has the manuals with the machine. You have different tool post holders here, and that is the coolant can and pump. Can you show them the on hours also? It's a low hour machine. Power on 54,000, but the actual operating time 5,607, and cutting time only 3,024. This is original paint. Very little paint has been taken off the machine at all in use. 2.5-inch spindle hole option, 2.56. He's moving it with the pulse generator. You can also connect. Show them when you connect it too, to give it the feeling as if you're using it as a manual lathe. While you're moving now, I'm going to show it on the screen. Go ahead. Okay, and cross. Okay. And again, he's moving it with the hand wheel. Alright. He's putting it in jog mode. He's jogging it. Again, the waves are like glass. Bring it all the way back so you can see the, there you go, the dovetail, yep. And you can see here again, there's been no hits or anything like that. That's 500 RPM. It's 1,000 RPM, and basically we're at a whisper here. 1250. 1,750. Let me show you that on the screen.
The actuals there.
There you go. 2,000 RPM. Machine goes up to 3,000 RPM, but I think at 2,000 RPM you get the idea here. And that's the brake. Okay, so you saw the spindle run, you saw the manual hand wheel operation go, you saw it jog around, you've seen the original paint. I guess the only other thing I can do is I can show you the back. Sean, go the other way so I can open up the electrical cabinet also. I'm just going to show you this, which shows you the serial number and the year and your RPM. Again, this is a 2.5-inch hole. While he opens up the cabinet, I'm going to go walk around back the other way. You got your Fanuc drives. Everything is nice and clean in the cabinet. And that is essentially the entire video. Thank you for watching.